All right, let's start. Speaking part two. Describe a story or a novel that was particularly interesting to you. Now, either story or novel. It
Well,
depends on you. Yes.
well, I don't like stories or novels because I didn't read any story or novel in a past. There are several movies which I like the most, so I will talk about movies. And there are some movies which I watched in past, and these movies are such as Hindi seasons and English movies. But it would be inappropriate to talk about Hindi seasons, so I talk about English movie, which is The Hobbit. I watched this movie in last winter, and I uh, I
I what?
uh,
Then you should say bach. Okay? Yeah, when you finish, you should just stop it. It's only 51 seconds. What happened?
I'm numb.
All right, don't worry. You're shivering?
No.
Relax. Have you taken down any notes on it? Did you
Yes.
note down something? So you
Yes.
could pick up the points from there. When you are talking, topic should be in front of you, notes should be in front of you, pencil should be in your hand, and you should sit like this, holding the topic and the notes. And then you'll be fine. If the topic is there, notes are there, yeah, I will speak. Then you will forget, and sometimes you become blank. Then you don't know what to do. So try to connect yourself with the topic which is on the table and your notes which are lying on the table, right?
Okay.
Don't worry. Let's go on. Speaking part three. You started very well, by the way, okay? But you just need to go on. What kind of stories do children like to learn?
Usually, children
Children
like to learn about fairy tales and fantasy stories.
fantasy stories.
It is ex-
ETC is fine. EDC, EDC, EDC. This is the short answer. You should say more and use signposting. First of all,
First of all.
children love to learn fantasy stories,
Fantasy.
stories like Cinderella and all that. Okay. Secondly, talk about second thing and elaborate that. So your only problem is that you are not talkative and you're not speaking much. Try to be talkative and try to speak more. I mean, a little more than what you are doing now.
Okay.
You'll be fine. Okay, thank you.